The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Portland District owns and operates 13 dams in the Willamette Valley. In this short video, we're going to show you how you can check out the water levels in the reservoirs behind each one. So let's talk about how you get a hold of that info. First, search the internet for Willamette teacups. Here's the diagram. Now click this first link to get to the bigger interactive version. This brings up what we call the Willamette Valley Basin Teacups diagram, which shows how much water is behind each dam and the system as a whole. But you'll want to focus on the orange dam icons. Hovering over one shows quick details like the current reservoir elevation and how much water is flowing in and out. For more detail, click on one of those dam icons. The first graph you'll see is the status of our boat ramps. The bottom of the graph has dates, and the sides have elevation in feet. These dotted lines are the different boat ramp elevations. And this blue line is the water level. You can see when we made this video, this boat ramp was in the water, but these ones were not. On this graph, you'll also see some other important lines. The red one is the elevation we target to balance many different uses such as water supply, hydropower, recreation, and most importantly, flood risk management, which is why this blue line is so far above the red line. This dam has been capturing massive amounts of rain this year. This green line is the top of conservation. This is the authorized elevation for the summer to manage for all of the conservation season needs, including recreation. The ability to refill is highly dependent on how much rain we get and when it falls in the area around the reservoir. This dark green line is the top of flood control. This line marks the highest level authorized to store water for managing large storm events. The next section down is the project details. The addition to this graph is the inflow and outflow of water measured by cubic feet per second. The green line shows the amount coming in, and the blue line shows how much we're letting out. We also provide project details over the last 7 and 30 days. There's a bunch of additional data included with these graphs, and we encourage you to take a look. But we wanted to make sure you knew how to find the water levels for the Portland District reservoirs you care about.